Hello everyone, it's me Kashmala Ali from Train Machine Models. Today we are going to discuss conditional statements in Python. We will discuss how to write a conditional statements and what are the uses of it. So let's get started. Okay, now we are in our editor. So first of all, what is conditional statements? These are the statements that help to take a decision based on a specific condition. Basically, it tells us what to do on the basis of condition. If condition is true, then it's perform a specific action, or if it false, then it will not perform that specific action. So first of all, we will discuss the if statement. Okay, now conditional statements, and first we discuss if statement. Just suppose I have two variables. First one is x, and x is equal to 100, and second variable y equal to 500. Now if I use a if statement, then I will simply write if, then condition. Condition is x is less than y. Okay, after writing a condition, we will write a colon and then enter, and then we write statements which you want to execute if this condition is true. I write print x is less than y. Now I hit a run button, and as you see that this condition is true, so it's print the line that x is less than y. If I change this condition, now hit the run button, it does not print anything because condition is false. It's work like this: if condition is true, then it prints the statement after the condition. If it is not true, then it doesn't print and not perform a specific action which you want to perform. Keep in mind that if we write a if statement in Python, then after, when we write statement after a if statement, then there is a indentation before the statements which we want to execute if the statement is true, if the condition is true. Like if I remove the space and hit the run button, then it's generate an error. So in Python, we must take care of this indentation. Okay, now as we have seen that if condition is not true, then it doesn't print anything. What if you want to print any statement if the condition is not true? Then we use else colon and then print now if I hit a run button, then it prints x is less than y. So x is 100, y is 500. If condition is x is greater than y, then print x is greater than y. And if the if condition is not true, then it's move toward the else and print whatever statement I have written in else. So this is the structure of if and if else. Now move toward the second one, which is Alif. Basically, Alif is a keyword in Python, and according to it, that if the previous condition is not true, then try this condition. Now apply this. Now I change the value of y to 100 and Alif, then condition, and print statement. Equal to y. As I have mentioned that in Alif, it check the first condition, and if first condition is not true, then it check the second condition. So I assign 100 and 100 same value to x and y, and I check if x is greater than y, then print x is greater than y, and if it is not true, then check the other condition that x is equal to y. In a previous, we have used if and else. It means that if condition is not true, then print whatever in the else. But in this case, it's check what if condition is not true, then it's check Alif, that Alif is true or not. If it's true, then it's print it. Now hit the run button. So it's print x equal to y because first condition is not true. Now as we have checked if else and if Alif, now we apply if Alif and else like this. X is equal to 100 and y is equal to 50. Now if x is greater than y, then x is print x is greater than y. Alif x is equal to y, and now third one else. Print x is greater than y. X is greater, so we will move it toward the left and change this condition, so you will understand clearly that how the last condition is executed. Hit the run button. So as you have seen that it's print x is greater than y because x value is 100 and y value is 50. First of all, it's check the if statement that x is less than y, so its condition is false. Then it's moved toward the Alif and it's checking Alif that x equal to y. As we know that x is not equal to y, then it's print whatever I have write in an else statement, it's print on the screen. So in today's lecture we have discussed a if statement, if else, Alif, and if, Alif and else. So if you have any confusion or if you have any query, then write in the comment box. I will reply all of your query. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channels to get more updates regarding Python series and much more. So see you in the next video. Thanks.